Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Let's open the package. And let's see what's inside. So, today we've got AIFEN model 2023, yes, A9 Pro. This is a second soldering station from AIFEN. I've got 210 here as well station, but this one is called Plus. Now, I know that many people don't know what AIFEN even is. It's a company called Sugon who make them, and Sugon is a really good company. Okay, so this, oh, my glasses here, this is for less than £100. I paid 69 plus taxes and so on, so I was lucky with discount from AliExpress to spend only about £72. Dear friend, see, that's what you've got here. Now, quality certificate you've got with it, that doesn't matter actually. That's showing what are the layers of the tips and so on. So copper, chrome, tin and iron layer. It's okay. Now, no matter what the reason is, once there is a problem with the product, there is no need to contact the seller, but directly contact the manufacturer. We scan the manufacturer's WeChat after sales. That doesn't matter. So you see, you don't have to contact even the seller. That's how good this company is, so you don't have to really worry about it. Comparing to other brands, you know, you have to contact the seller, yes, and there is a whole user manual. Now, that's not really important for many people, but that's made from 100% recycled rather than just brand new. Now, this one is the European plug. I didn't have option to choose British, okay, and that's the station itself. Now, inside the box you get only this foam and nothing else. Now, I will put both stations aside. Both have 120 watt power, both have quick heat up, so it's about 3 seconds probably from standby, and when you place back, okay, that's it, when you place back this, you will get it automatically to standby down to, I think default is 100 or something degrees, and then raise up quickly as well. Yes, that's why it's only 2 or 3 seconds to be true. Now, it's stylish box, which you don't have with other brands. It's really nice, well thought through, and you've got 3 of them. Okay, now those 210s are really nice, and I can say that I use different one here. Okay, so I don't see this one here in the set, but you can see that my tip is thicker. Don't know if you can compare them. Hopefully you can, because it's quite bright. So what it is, I've got this one here as well. I've got other ones here, and these are, one of them is exactly what it is here, but this barrel here is causing to keep the heat for longer. Okay, so that's really nice to have. This came without it, okay, so I will have the regular tip, but I will buy that barrel-y bulkish one as well, because I like it. I just love it actually. Now let me grab this one closer so that you can compare them. Okay, one aside of each other. Now, this some people will argue that it's needed. Yes, the brush here is really nice touch. So this here as well, and as this here, yes, this is okay. I'm not saying it's bad, but this is extra edge and this is nice. Do you need the top? I would say that's why I bought this one, because I really don't need that top. Yes, now this top is so that you can extract your stuff here. You can extract them. Now how much these are a few quid, but if you will buy JBC or something is called, you pay over 30 pounds per one. Yes, so we will check prices later on. I just wanted to, get it out. I know it might be too loud for some of you, I know it, sorry for that. And that's it. Now you can buy as well for them 115 or 245 version, which then will make it with different nozzles. Yes, different nozzle. I don't know the other ones. I never used the other ones. I've seen that the 115 is the smaller one, okay, and then 245 probably is the bulkier one. So I would give it a bash with those as well, but I didn't have a need like that much till now. I bought second one. It's just that because I bought this one for about £100, okay, 99 or something, and I fell in love with it. Now you've got manual adjustment for the temp here, and you've got programmable 3 channels on this Pro one, and this one has 4 channels, okay, the Plus one. So you can see the difference in size is not that great. Yes, I would say they are very similar. You've got 3 6 holders here for 210s and 245s, and here is 115, 210 and 245. So it's 1 2 3, that's 8 holders for them. Yes, and what else is here? Here is just something, I've got no idea what it is. Here is just compartment that deep, I'm touching the bottom, so that big compartment. Here there is no compartment, and here on the side is for 115s, okay, so 115s are here. So you can see there are small differences. Do you need 4 programs, you might be asking, okay? For me in person, not really. The most I use 350, 380 and very occasionally 420. Okay, very occasionally. I don't remember even the last time when I've used it. Now let's do it. Okay, that's done. And let's use this cable here. Let's plug it in. That's original from the second one, okay, from the Plus one. Oh, that's me. Oh well, life. Sorry for that one. What I want to say is, let's power it on. Okay, more disaster can't be done. It was empty cup anyway, and doesn't look that it's broken. So it's the same stuff. You've got Celsius temperature here. You've got beep on 300. Yes, 3 channels. So channel 1 is 300, channel 2 is 350, and 380 is the third channel. Okay, and you can set them up. The power button here is on the left, which I believe it's better design, because this one has the power button at the back. Depend on the alignment on your desk, it will matter. Yes, so for some people will be okay, for some people don't. So if you rather not use switch at the back, I would go for Pro. That would be the reason why I would go for Pro. If you don't care and you don't mind extra bit here, you can go for Plus. and then you will have one extra program which you might not use. I don't know your work, so I can't actually tell. Now this is adjustable, you can adjust it, and this one is adjustable. Look the length of the cable, you know, it's just long. Yes, it's super long, and I love it. I love that it's so long. Now, okay, you see this one here, you don't see here. Okay, so let us do like this, let us do like that. Now let's do channel 1, okay, which is 300. Let's pick it up. Okay, and that's from 0, already have 300. Oh, smoke on the water. Now let's put it back, and it's dropping immediately. That's what I love about it. Okay, you see, down to 100 and will switch off to standby. That's it. And then when I lift it up, it's really quick. And you might be asking, okay, so this one was 72, which you will pay more now, and this one was almost 100. Yes, is it worth spending? Look, already 300. That's really quick. Now, yes, now I would say that there is no value as such for this to pay more money. Okay, at least I don't see it. Sorry, you know, like Pro is Pro. That's the name itself. Yes, Y Plus, maybe this one is 2023 model, so maybe that's why it's cheaper, and maybe this one is 2024 model, maybe that's why it's here. I don't know, don't quote me. You can go and ask them, or Google, or those LLMs, yes, like AI code. So this one can be installed here or here. Here is the screw, you can screw this one on. I've got with the second one. This one is bought for the second desk, okay? So what is the difference if somebody is using T12, okay? If somebody is using T12 and they like T12, how it's working, and I agree with that, okay? But the biggest difference is that those here are super small. Now if you apply not 75 watts, which you have in T12, but you apply, let's say, 120 watts, yes, maximum of this. I don't know if that's capable of pulling 120 on those 210s, maybe on 245s, but let's say, you know, that's 120 watts, and that small tip, you know, here, look, that's my hand, that's pulling a lot of energy into the small tip. So the surface which is heating up is significantly higher on this one. Yes, you might say. It's just more power. It's more powerful. That's why, you know, it's for a reason called Pro. Now, who won't need it? If you don't use a lot of micro soldering, if you don't use a lot of electronics, you won't see the difference. 210s, 115 and 245 are more for professionals, okay? But easily, I've proven in the beginning of this YouTube channel that you can use regular iron and you will still do a lot of work. So it's only excuse if you can't do it. It's just practice, I would say, is the most important part. Yes, there is a difference in between 40 and 65 watt or 60 watt soldering iron. That is a difference, and that's no doubt that 50% more of power makes difference. Or 75 watt T12, yes, that is making a difference. But yes, but it doesn't mean you can't do the work with those ones. Whereas this one, we've got 60 to 75 bookings per month here, and we've got commercial contracts plus on top of that. So we do a lot of work, yes, like you know, like a lot of work. So we notice the difference. Yes, my technician bought it first as Sugon, and he was liking it, like to the level that he said, hey, you need to buy one. It's really good, yes. So I bought this one first. Ouch! Yeah, I should watch out what I'm doing. But anyways, So I bought this one first, and I was so happy. And then I said, okay, so on the second desk, on the TV repair desk over there, I need to buy second one, because he's coming here when I'm doing some work, you know, and then, you know, it's awkward. Plus, when I've got apprentice or someone, I can have T12 over there. But with some of the jobs, believe me, you will notice the difference. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. It's tangled. It's time to untangle, tidy up. I can say, if you can afford, okay, if you can afford, go AliExpress it, because I haven't seen them on Amazon or on eBay in the UK. So I would say go to AliExpress, put AIFEN-A9 Pro or AIFEN-A9 Plus, and you will see the prices. Yes, I'll pause and I will show you my price. Okay guys, so I've paid $72.84 for it, okay, and I had promotion, just that's why, you know, and when you look at the promotion, of course, you might get a better one. 5-day delivery, $69 was original price, and that's it. Yes, now if you will go to them, keep in mind that it might be dear, you see. That's 2023 model, as I said originally, so it is what it is, but I don't mind, you know, like, what is the difference? Now that's 85 for this, that's Pro C210 with 3 tips. That's exactly what I bought. You see how much of a difference is, and then you've got, and that's super deal, and that's $85.99 with 245, and that's 115. Okay, so that's a difference in between them. Now I bought with 220. That is a huge difference. Now if you will go and if you will check how much I paid for the for that one, it's AIFEN-A9 Plus. That's what I had. So look, it's the cheapest one is here, plus £80 plus tax, of course. Yes, so you will pay over £90. That's normal. Yes, but some of them want far more than that for it. Yes, so the cheapest is about less than £100 as well. The choice is just yours, you know. I haven't seen a reason to pick one or another because one is better, or no, they have the same wattage, they have the same you know, work. Yes, they only have different design. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you. I know it's over 15 minutes, but hopefully I covered everything what would you like to know, and you can make wiser decision now. I found that we meant to buy the second one, and we meant to buy well, I meant to buy the voltmeter and just digital multimeter for a desk, which I can connect with my PC. But I found that I still have no fume extractor, so I'm looking into buying one. I don't know which one I will pick. I've seen that you can get for £20–30 some cheaper ones, and I might go with the cheaper one, okay, just to see, because our technicians, you know, they want to know what to buy. Yeah, so if I will buy a cheap one, I will be able to say don't buy it, you know, and I will have reasons to that. So I might record video sometime in the future as well, but for now I'm not doing any recordings about repairs because we're too busy and we're trying to catch up with repairs, and plus I need to manage web dev team as well, because we're building version 2.0 of our book repaironline.co.uk with custom fields on the booking system and so on. So I've got just too much going on. Plus I've built a mind map as well, really great app myself, and I'm trying to have time to finish that one off. So I literally have no time to do more, and if I will have more time I can go back to recording of the videos, but I don't see huge value out of them. Okay, we've got plenty of work and we're focused on that one. So I don't know how quickly I can go back to doing normal regular videos from repairs. If that thing will change, you will notice it on this YouTube channel, but for now I want to show tools because our technicians need to use tools. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.